Some people living in a neighborhood near Green Valley High School are fighting to save the trees. They say their HOA approved plans to remove more than a dozen trees in their community. Many are already gone. But tonight, 13 Action News reporter Brian Callahan explains how they're hoping to put the brakes on the rest of the work.
The neighbors we spoke with said they didn't go to the HOA meetings because they thought the landscaping changes were dealing with bushes, not the 40-foot tall plus trees around the complex, never expecting they would be gone like that. Now they're launching a petition to save the remaining trees. The Charlemont condos are clearly a community in transition, but some who call the neighborhood home don't like the changes.
I cried the whole time.
Teresa Prater describes watching as 2 large trees outside her condo were cut down. This as she and other neighbors are working to stop the landscaping changes that led to more than a dozen trees being cut down.
I understand there was a few that were dying, but they took out every single one.
The HOA approved the changes. A letter posted on the community board said they are meant to eliminate roots near water, gas, and power lines, as well as ease debris problems from leaves and pine needles.
You can't just sweep it off the porch because it'll get just blown right back in. You got to actually pick it up, remove it. So it'd be nice not to have to deal with tons of pine needles.
The trees are being replaced by smaller trees, which critics like Steve and Teresa say will never replace the shade they've lost. But several other neighbors said something had to be done.
It's a shame we're losing the shade, but you got to change things to make progress.
While they know nothing will bring back the trees they've already lost, Steve and Teresa are hoping they can get the HOA to reconsider continuing with the plan.
We don't want any more trees cut down.
We reached out to the management office this afternoon to ask about the petition, but the person in charge was not available. Brian Callahan, 13 Action News.